In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI for financial analysis. This is a simple way to understand financial data, track performance, and gain insights. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click the plus icon next to the message box to open the Tools menu. From the menu that appears, I'll select Add Files or Photos. Now I'll upload the financial data file, such as a spreadsheet or report, from my computer. Once the file is uploaded, it will appear in the chat. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen and type a prompt like, "Analyze this financial data and summarize the key insights." Then I'll click the Send button. Claude will process the data and generate a financial analysis, which may include trends, summaries, and key metrics. If I want more detailed insights, I can refine my prompt. For example, I might type, "Identify revenue trends, expenses, and profit margins." Claude can also help with comparisons, forecasts, and explanations of financial performance. Once the analysis is ready, I can copy or download the content and use it for reporting, planning, or decision-making. And that's it. I've successfully used Claude AI for financial analysis. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.